Solve the equation 2 times absolute value of 3x plus 4y minus 2 plus 3 times the square root of 25 minus 5x plus 2y equals 0. We know that the absolute value is going to be always greater than or equal to 0, and so will the square root. So then, in order for this to be 0, both of these guys have to be 0. So both 2 times the absolute value is 0, and then 3 times the square root has to be 0. Okay, so now we need to solve these. First, let's move the 2 to the other side by dividing it. And because the absolute value is equal to 0, that means the inside also has to equal 0. We'll add the 2 to the other side, and so we get 3x plus 4y is 2. That's going to be our first equation. Now the second equation, we need to solve for this. So let's move the 3 again by dividing it, and then we will square both sides. And so we want this to be 0, which means negative 5x plus 2y is equal to negative 25. That's going to be the second equation. So we have a system of equations. We'll put 3x plus 4y equals 2 on top, negative 5x plus 2y equals negative 25 on the bottom. In order to solve this, let's first get rid of the y's. We'll multiply the bottom by 2, or negative 2. And then we have 3x plus 4y equals 2. So negative 2 times negative 5x is 10x. Minus 4y equals 50. And so if we add this, 13x is 52, which means x is 4. And so we can plug it into, let's say, the top equation. It's 3 times 4 plus 4y is 2. So 12 plus 4y is 2, and then subtract both sides by 12. We get y is negative 10 over 4, which means y is negative 5 over 2. And so the solution is going to be x is 4, y is negative 5 over 2.